Hey guys, it's me again. This one will be a short one, just a quick update on how things are going. I have just been to the first mechanic in order to inquire the price for putting together the engine, and unfortunately he wasn't able to tell me an exact figure, but I will talk to him next week once again in further detail on what his estimate would be. So hopefully it won't be too expensive, but let's see. Unfortunately, the weather today is pretty dreadful, so there's not much driving going on today. However, I was still doing little things with the orange car. The first thing I did this morning was to switch my tires from the all-season tires to summer wheels, which are a little bit bigger and on aluminum rims. So it looks a little bit different, more aggressive. It may not look as some might think, or some people think it would look way better or worse, but I guess everyone has their own opinion. So I think it looks good, and I probably will have to paint them a different color in the future so they match the car better than they do right now. And another thing I did was to install the what's the name for it? The heat baffle. I didn't know the word, so I had to look into the dictionary earlier before. So I installed the heat baffle again, which I had removed a couple months prior. So I had it painted because it was actually red from before the car had its paint job. So I had to repaint it again. So I chose black this time because I'm thinking about changing the color on the engine cover as well. So currently it's obviously orange, as is the whole car, but it's too much orange for me. So I have to change it up a little bit. So the first part is now black. The engine parts obviously will have to be painted black some other time. I will probably do that not on my own. I will have this outsourced, possibly for the same workshop that will put the engine back together. And yeah, we'll have to see and wait. That's basically it for this short info, and there's more to come, so keep watching, and as always, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.